Being an imaginative and extraordinary token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous recently. Individuals are puzzling over whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's in store for this money. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we think it is a wise speculation. Our ongoing Nexo to USD cost update shows the ongoing Nexo cost is 66 cents USD. According to our Nexo cost forecast, Nexo cost is supposed to have a 4.59% reduction and drop as low as by April 10, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers recommends that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 69%, with a trepidation and veracity list score of 61. Over the most recent 30 days, Nexo has had 14 30th green days and 7.03% cost unpredictability. Nexo specialized outline. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Nexo is $72 cents, and Nexo is buy and buy position no. 96 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Nexo is $405,785,832.59, with a market cap of $560,011,000 Nexo. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Nexo has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 6.75%. Nexo has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Nexo has expanded by 2.91%, adding a huge typical measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Nexo will be 94 cents. The greatest level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.15. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 98 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 57.5% by Nexo value estimate for February 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 74 cents in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 68 cents and at 76 cents individual. Nexo return on initial capital investment 5.5% by WALC 2023. Nexo value estimate cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the Nexo cost in WALC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 73 cents, while the most extreme could reach 80 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around 76 cents. It can drop to 76 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 84 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 16.4% by May 2023. Nexo value conjecture around mid-year 2023, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at 82 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to 88 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 78 cents in May 2023. Nexo return for money invested 21.9% by Nexo value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Nexo costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 83 cents. The least and pinnacle Nexo rates may be 81 cents and 92 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 27.4% by July 2023. Nexo value conjecture crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Nexo cost will be around 85 cents. In July 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least 82 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 95 cents in July 2023. Nexo return for capital invested 31.5% by Nexo value conjecture for August 2023. Having broke down Nexo costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $1.01 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 85 cents. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Nexo is almost 88 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 38.4% by September 2023. Nexo value gauge around mid-2023, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 89 cents. Crypto experts expect that in September 2023, the Nexo cost could change somewhere in the range of 86 cents and $1.04. Nexo return for money invested 42.5% by Nexo value figure for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least 89 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.08. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 92 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 47.9% by November 2023. Nexo value estimate digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Nexo costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Nexo will be around $1.11, with a chance of dropping to at least 91 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 94 cents. Nexo return for money invested 52.1% by Nexo value figure for December 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 98 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 94 cents and at $1.15 individually. Nexo return for money invested 57.5% by Nexo value expectation 2024 after the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.40. The most extreme expected Nexo cost might be around $1.65. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.44 in 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo. In 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.97 and $2.46 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.05. Nexo value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Nexo and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.90, while its most extreme can reach $3.51. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $3. Nexo value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least Nexo costs are normal in 2027, $4.96 and $4.17. By and large, it will be exchanged at $4.32. Nexo value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Nexo. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Nexo cost will be around $6.10. It could drop to at least $5.88, yet it actually could reach $7.21 all through 2028. Nexo value expectation 2029 consistently. Cryptographic money specialists get ready figures at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $8.47 and $10.33 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $8.77 during the year. Nexo value forecast 2030. Digital currency investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Nexo's cost. The year 2030 still up in the air by the greatest Nexo cost of $15. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $12.